I used this survival straw to filter my lava lamp, and it took it from looking like this to looking like this, which I was super impressed with. But then a bunch of you were like, wait, if the water was colorful, wouldn't it take out the dye? Now, I never claimed to be smart, but at least once a day, somebody leaves me a comment on one of my videos. It makes me question if I'm actually a natural blonde. Because yeah, that would make sense. So let's test it. I'm using my experimental lava lamp, which I first put crayons inside, and then I put mica powder inside, and it's currently pretty foobarred, but it'll still work for this experiment. I did have to add some dye to this water because it's currently clear. This is the fluid dye from Lava Lab Creations in Math Moss Purple. I gave it a quick stir, and then I set a reserve shot glass of this water to the side so that we can compare our results at the end. From here, I just ran the filter the same way that we did yesterday. If you're curious on those details, go watch the other video. At first, I was like, yep, the water's clear, just as expected. However, as it started filling up the rest of the globe, you can see that the water is indeed not clear. So while I did not necessarily expect to be making a video on exposing natural Nova survival straws, I can't help but wonder if you would actually want to rely on this for drinking water. Here's the side-by-side of the filtered water in the globe versus the unfiltered water in the shot glass. To me, they look basically identical. So while in theory other dyes could have different formulations that would get filtered out, I can at least say that this dye did not get filtered out.